Looking for the ultimate pastrami sandwich in New York City? Look no further, we've got the scoop on the best restaurants in the city. That serve up this mouth-watering delight. From Katz's Delicatessen, to Rust Daughters, these spots will leave you craving more. Sink your teeth into thick, juicy slices of perfectly seasoned pastrami piled. High on fresh-baked rye bread. The flavors will explode in your mouth as you savor each bite. Whether you're a local or a tourist, these iconic eateries are a must-visit if you want to experience the true essence of a New York pastrami sandwich. Don't miss out. On this culinary delight, head over to these restaurants and indulge in the ultimate pastrami sandwich experience.